Are you tired of sitting through long and boring online meetings, wasting hours trying to catch important points, and struggling to write proper meeting notes? What if I told you there's a tool that can automatically record, transcribe, summarize, and even highlight your meetings while you sit back and focus on what really matters? Well, in today's video we are going to dive deep into Tldv AI, one of the most powerful tools designed to make online meetings shorter, smarter, and way more productive. Stay tuned because by the end of this review, you'll know whether Tldv AI is the right tool for you, how to use it effectively, and some hidden features that most people completely miss. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore Tldv AI together. First things first, what exactly is Tldv AI? Tldv stands for Too Long, Didn't View, and the idea behind this tool is pretty simple but genius. Instead of watching or rewatching an entire 1-hour meeting, you can instantly get the highlights, the key takeaways, and a full transcript that makes catching up super easy. Think of it as your personal meeting assistant that never forgets, never gets tired, and always delivers detailed notes in seconds. Now, let's talk about the platforms where Tldv AI works. Currently, it integrates directly with Zoom and Google Meet, which are two of the most popular online meeting platforms used worldwide. If you spend a lot of time on those, Tldv can literally save you hours every week. It joins your meetings, records the audio and video, generates a transcript, and provides a summarized version of the key points. And here's the cool part. You don't just get raw transcripts, you get AI-powered summaries that are easy to read and share. Let's break this down step by step, starting with how to use Tldv AI. When you install the tool, you can set it up to automatically join your meetings or you can invite it manually. Once inside, it records everything in high quality. After the meeting ends, you'll get a full transcript that is searchable, which means if you want to find a specific topic, decision, or even a single sentence from the conversation, you can type a keyword and Tldv jumps directly to that part of the meeting. No more scrolling through long videos. And the summarization feature is where the magic really happens. Instead of giving you a word-for-word dump, the AI creates a structured summary with action items, main topics, and key decisions. This is especially useful for teams because you can share the summary with colleagues who couldn't attend, and they'll be fully updated without watching the entire recording. Now let's move into the features that make Tldv stand out from other AI meeting tools. Number 1. Timestamped highlights. During the meeting, you can create highlights in real time with a single click. This is super useful when something important is mentioned, and later you want to jump straight back to it. Number 2. AI note-taking. Unlike human note-takers who might miss things, Tldv captures everything. And because it's powered by AI, it doesn't just copy words. It actually understands context to provide more meaningful summaries. Number 3. Collaboration tools. You can share the transcript, highlights, and summaries with your team instantly, either by email or directly inside your project management tools. This makes follow-ups much easier because everyone knows what was decided and who is responsible for what. Number 4. Search and filter options. If your team has dozens of meetings every week, Tldv makes it easy to search across all recordings. For example, you can search for budget or deadline, and Tldv will pull up every mention of those words across multiple meetings. And number 5. Language support. Tldv supports multiple languages for transcription, which is great for international teams who don't all speak the same language. Now, let's talk about the pros of using Tldv AI. It saves you a huge amount of time by turning long meetings into short, digestible summaries. It's incredibly easy to use, with a clean interface that doesn't feel overwhelming. It improves productivity because team members don't need to attend every single meeting, they can just read the summary. The accuracy of transcripts is surprisingly high compared to many other tools. It integrates smoothly with Google Meet and Zoom without complicated setups. But no tool is perfect, so let's be honest and look at the cons of Tldv AI. It doesn't yet support all meeting platforms, so if you use Microsoft Teams or other apps, you're limited. Some advanced features are only available in the paid version. While summaries are generally very good, sometimes the AI may miss subtle details or misinterpret context, especially in highly technical discussions. Finally, because it's AI-based, you still need to double-check important decisions in the transcript to be safe. That being said, even with these cons, Tldv AI is still one of the most powerful meeting productivity tools on the market right now. Next, let's quickly look at the pricing. Tldv offers a free version, which is actually pretty generous. With the free plan, you get unlimited recordings and transcriptions for Google Meet and Zoom, which is already more than enough for many users. The premium version unlocks advanced AI summaries, more integrations, team collaboration features, and better export options. If you're part of a bigger team or you handle lots of meetings, the upgrade is definitely worth it. But here's a smart tip. If you're just starting out, stick with the free version first to test it out. Once you see the value, you can decide whether to upgrade. Now let's imagine a real-life scenario. Let's say you're part of a startup team. You're having 3 or 4 meetings a week with investors, developers, and clients. Normally, you'd have to spend hours reviewing notes, sending follow-up emails, and making sure everyone's on the same page. But with Tldv, every meeting is automatically recorded, transcribed, and summarized. At the end of the week, you've got a full library of searchable conversations, plus ready-to-share summaries. This doesn't just save time, it actually makes your team look more professional and organized. Another cool use case is for students or researchers. Imagine attending online lectures or group discussions. Instead of trying to write notes while listening, you can let Tldv handle everything. Later, you can review the summaries and transcripts at your own pace, making studying way easier. Now, here's a hidden feature that many people don't know. Tldv allows you to create video clips directly from the recordings. That means if you only want to share a 2-minute important part of a 1-hour meeting, you don't have to send the entire recording. Just trim it inside Tldv and send the clip. This is a game changer for communication. At this point, you're probably asking yourself, is Tldv worth using? Well, if you value your time and you want to get more out of meetings without spending hours watching recordings, then yes, it's absolutely worth it. The free version is strong enough to handle most needs, and if you want the full power, the upgrade isn't expensive compared to the time it saves you. So, to wrap up this review, Tldv AI is more than just a recorder. It's your personal AI assistant for meetings, capable of transcribing, summarizing, and organizing everything with incredible accuracy. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or part of a big team, this tool can massively increase your productivity and reduce meeting fatigue. If you've been struggling to keep up with endless online calls, give Tldv a try. I promise you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Peace.